guys, my name is Jordan. I am one of the trainers here at Bark Avenue. This here is Nugget. She is a 7-month-old bulldog puppy. She just got in for a 3-week board and train today, so I wanted to show you what her first session is looking like so far. Please. Yes. Okay. Okay. Sit. Yes. She is still learning the down, so we'll try it. Down. Down. So here I'm using a lot of treat luring to teach her to try and follow it to go down. Down. Now this one's a struggle for her. You're so close. So here I'm going to give it to her if she puts her head all the way down to the ground because she is still learning. Good, good, yes, good girl. Good job. Okay, place, place, yes. Okay. Alrighty, well she's doing great for her first day and I'm excited to continue working with her for 3 weeks.